Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are talking about iBotta, the popular cashback application for saving money on groceries. But here is the real question. Is it worth your time in 2025? Stick around to find out and don't forget to check the link in the description for a smarter way to make money online. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So, iBotta is a cashback app that is designed to help you save on groceries and everyday purchases. It is simple. You add offers to your account, shop at the participating stores, and upload your receipts to earn cashback. Sounds good, right? But there is more you need to know before jumping in. Now, let's start with the positives. iBotta is free to use, works with many major stores, and offer cashback on groceries and some other items. So, if you are already shopping, it's an easy way to save a few bucks here and there. But here is where things get tricky. First, the savings are minimal, typically between 1% and 5%. Second, you need to pre select the offers before shopping, which can be time consuming. Plus, there is a $20 withdrawal threshold, which could take weeks or even months to reach, depending on how often you shop. And then there are the complaints, the technical glitches, rejected receipts, and poor customer support. Some users even report losing money due to inactivity fees. So, while it's not a scam, it's far from perfect. So, is iBotta worth your time? Honestly, if you are just looking to save a little on grocery, it's okay, but don't expect big rewards. For most people, it's more of a nice to have than a game changer. So, if you are serious about improving your finances, there are better ways to make money online that don't involve jumping through so many hoops. And the best part, you don't have to rely on the unpredictable cashback offers. Here is the bottom line. iBotta can help you to save a little, but it's far from the easiest or the most reliable option out there. So, if you are tired of the small rewards and want a more effective way to make money, click the link in the description below. It will take you to my favorite strategy for earning real income online. No gimmicks, just results. So, thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.